Hey guys, how's it going? How to identify reverse holo and holo Pokemon cards. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Pokemon, right? In the holo cards, you have the shiny Pokemon image. The image of the Pokemon is holographic, meaning it shines and reflects light. And no holo in the card border. The text box and the card border remain non-holographic, unlike the image. Examples like the V cards, some rare legendary cards, and certain promo cards. And you have the reverse holo cards. You have the shiny card background, not the Pokemon image. The Pokemon image itself remains non-holographic, while the rest of the card shines. And you have the common in sets like reverse holo are typically found in common or uncommon rarity cards from recent sets. By clicking right here to sort it by rarity, you're gonna be able to find it. Holo, only the Pokemon's image is shiny, and reverse holo, the background and all non-image areas of the card are shiny. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.